Good morning students and welcome to your online class of computer application. I hope you have understood the last topic which I have discussed in OpenOffice Calc for formatting of numbers and text. Today we'll be seeing that how you can insert the chart in OpenOffice Calc. What are charts? Charts are actually the pictorial representation of the worksheet data. The data whichever you have written in the OpenOffice Calc rows and columns that can be represented in the form of chart to make it more presentable and understandable to the audience. There are different type of chart available in OpenOffice Calc. The first chart is the area chart, which basically emphasizes on the magnitude of changes over a time. And the second is the column chart, which shows the data changes over a period of time. Next is the bar chart, which shows the comparison of individual items. The fourth one is the line chart, which shows the trends in data at equal intervals. Next is the pie chart, which shows the proportional size of items that make up a data series to the sum of items. Then there is a donut chart, which shows the proportional nature of your data, but if you want to include more than one data series, a donut chart is the best option. Seventh is the XY scatter chart, which either shows the relationship among numeric values in several data series or plots the two group of numbers as one series of XY coordinates. Students, these charts will be more clear when you will do it on OpenOffice Calc. Then it will be more clear by the picture that how these chart looks on the screen. Next is the net chart, which is displayed, or the image looks just like a net, which displays the data values as points connected by some lines in a grid net and resembles a spider net or a radar tube display. The last one is the stock chart, which illustrates the market trend given by opening price, bottom price, top price and closing price. So let us see the practical and understand that how these chart looks when you apply it on the data which is written in OpenOffice Calc. So now let us do the practical of the chart, that how we can insert it inside the sheet. So you can see that I am on the OpenOffice Calc screen, and here the data is already mentioned. I have written the name of the salesman and the data, how much sales the salesman and the sales whatever they have done in a particular year. So let me show you that how you can insert the chart in it. So for inserting the chart, you have to select the area for which you want to insert the chart, and then you can go to the standard toolbar wherein the chart option is given, or you can go to the insert menu and select the chart option. So I am on the insert menu right now and I have clicked on chart. So you can see that a dialog box of the chart is open here, which is called as chart wizard. Here you will get the four options: chart type, data range, data series and chart elements. In chart type, you can select the type of chart which I have explained before: area chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, any chart you can select. I am selecting the column chart here. Then click on next. Once you click on next, it will show you the data range which I have already selected. If you have not selected, then here you can put a cursor and select the data from your sheet. Now here it is showing the data series in columns. It means the data which I have selected, it should be shown in columns. And then you have to click on the data series. Data series, the column B is written over here. Now the name you have to select here, whatever selection you have made in the cells. So it is sheet 1, B, from B1 to B8. Now after this, you have to click on chart elements. Here you can choose the title, subtitle, x-axis name, y-axis name of your chart. Alright, so let us write the title as sales performance, and then the subtitle I am writing as 2020-21. In x-axis I will write the name as salesman, because I have written the name of the salesman in x-axis. In y-axis I have chosen for sales and then I'll click on finish. Once you click on finish, you can see that the chart is inside your sheet. You can resize the chart by dragging your mouse from the left or from the right. You can stretch the chart, resize the chart, increase the size and decrease the size according to your requirement. Alright, so this is the chart. You can see the sales performance is on the top, which is written as a title, and then in the subtitle it's 2021. You can move these also, and then in the x-axis I have written the name of the salesman, and on the y-axis I have written the sales. So this is the chart which is shown over here. You can easily drag it from one place to another. Now students, one more thing I want to tell you, that whenever you insert a chart, the chart is inserted inside the same sheet where the data is given, and that sheet, or at that time the particular chart will be called as embedded chart, which is embedded within a particular sheet. Now if you put that chart, you copy this chart and put that chart in a separate sheet, it will be called as a chart sheet. Right now there is no data, so if a chart is the chart is alone present in a particular sheet, then it is called as chart sheet. However, if it is embedded with a particular sheet, it means the data is also present over there and the chart is also present over there, then it is called as embedded chart. All right, so I hope you have understood that the process how you can insert the chart inside the sheet. If you have any problem, you can text me. So follow the steps to insert the chart inside the sheet, and then tell me if you have any kind of query. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.